everyone, and here I'm preparing noodles, and it is a very quick recipe. Anybody can make it, and here I'm preparing it. So for making them, I'm just boiling them up, and after boiling them, I'm just taking a pan and adding some oil to fry the veggies. And in veggies, I'm taking one small onion, one tomato, some peas, and some tofu, and I'll just fry them up. And you have to just fry them like for good 5 minutes. That's it, 5 to 6, that's it, not more than that, until it turns little light brown. So after cooking it for good 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna be adding some sauce. Like you can add any chili sauce, and here I'm adding this sauce, and then after I'll be just mixing it well. And I have also mashed the tomatoes and peas and onions a bit so that it mixes well with the sauce. And now I'm just gonna be mixing. So here I'm just adding the seasoning which comes in the packet. Like when you open the noodles packet, there's a seasoning. You just need to add that seasoning, and I'm not going to be adding any other spices, just the seasoning which comes with the noodles. And now I'm just adding the boiled noodles, that's it. And I'll be just sorting them out really nicely and just mixing it nice so they go well with each other. That's it, and it is almost prepared. And if you want to add like more water, you can add more water. If you want it to be like really thick, you can just make it thick. And if you want to add some water, you can add some water if you want that soupy form of it. That's it, and it is all prepared. So I also like the soupy noodles. So what I have done, I have just taken like some of the noodles out from the pan, and in the remaining noodles I'm just adding like half a cup of water and making it in the soupy form. That's it. So this is the soupy form. Hope you guys like the video. And I also captured this bright moon. It is looking so beautiful. So do subscribe my channel guys, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Bye bye.